prepare this, the crankshaft will just drop into there, and then that other piece pops on top. And so that's kind of the sequence of events.
Oh, it looks really nice. Gosh, tidy, isn't it? Like you say, everything's really great condition inside.
Yeah, and it's all
just that
super sturdy.
crankshaft.
This is the kick. Well, I'll take this out because this kind of gets in the way. That's the kick shaft mechanism. But yeah, there's all the.
Oh, that's smooth. Have you got new bearings here as well? Did you put those in?
No,
as well,
these are the
they're
original
originals?
bearings. I don't think I'll change them.
Yeah.
They're, you know, they seem to be good, and they're big like everything on this engine, big sturdy bearings. I'm replacing the seals. I've got a seal kit, so this seal will be replaced, and there's some other O-rings and seals that go on the end there that will get replaced.
So it's been a few days since you saw those last few clips, and Geoff moves a lot quicker than I do with his project. So he's got his crankshaft back, and it's assembled already. And so we're just taking the opportunity to take a few clips before the cover goes back on. And so what have you had done then, Geoff? So,
well, it's all new bearings, new seals,
new bearings,
new bearings in the new bearings in the
Are
rod.
those the original conrods?
Yes. Yeah.
Has he painted those, or is they just cleaned up nice?
I don't know why they're that colour.
They're nice.
I don't think they were that colour before, but that's how they came back. I doubt he painted them, but
Okay.
maybe they were that colour underneath and he cleaned them. I
Well,
don't know.
they look
I was a
great.
bit surprised to see that, but
Yeah.
yeah. So
And
these are all. That's a new bearing, new bearings, new seal, new bearing, new bearing, new seal,
Wow.
new bearing, new seal, and new bearing.
Wow,
And then there's the
amazing.
2 seals that go on the ends.
Those that you showed us last time, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Gosh, amazing. It's a pretty sophisticated piece of kit, isn't it? Yeah. And was he happy with everything, the way it went back together again?
He seemed to be. Apparently, it wasn't that big of a job for him. It was
Okay.
a very reasonable price.
Very good. Very, very good indeed.
Yeah. So that's the
Yeah, excellent. Yeah.
drive for the water pump, which goes down into there. Actually pumps oil directly to the bearings.
Yes. Yes, I see.
I mean, basically, it pumps oil to the bearings through various passageways, and then also injects oil into the intake manifold so that it.
And you've got it spick and span, Geoff. Look, like these parts here, they look
Well,
it looks brand
they
new.
were clean. Everything was
Yeah.
clean inside. Like I said, the motor was in good condition. If it hadn't been for that seal failure, it probably would have done a lot
Yeah.
more miles.
They're impressive setup. Those seals look great.
Yeah, I can show you the failed seal.
Yes, please.
This is basically the big end bearings, or one of them that came out, and they were in, I think, perfectly good condition.
Yeah.
This is the seal that failed,
Oh yes.
and you can see, you know, it's got this metal lip here,
Yes.
and then it's missing around here.
Oh yeah.
And
that,
they were the pieces of steel that I found.
that was it. Because we noticed that. Well, I noticed that they were curved, right?
Yeah,
So, and
yeah.
that's what it was.
Yeah, and so somehow or other, this I don't no idea how it would have happened, but somehow or other, this seal must have got dislodged or spun.
And spun.
And I assume the sequence was that eventually a piece broke off, went up into the piston, and that's what
Shattered that
that's what
piston,
broke the piston.
and then
Yeah.
everything came to a
Yeah,
standstill.
yeah. Anyway,
Wow.
all the other seals were good, just this one.
And we don't know much about the story, right? We don't know from the previous owners
No.
in terms of that
And
rattled a bit.
this is the bearing that was alongside the bad seal, and it's obviously not too good either.
Oh, cool. Very cool, Geoff.
So
From
they were the parts that had to be replaced.
to that. That's impressive. Do you need help?
Yeah, probably need help to feed the rods through.
Oh yeah, hang on.
Yeah, there we go. Had it in the wrong place. There you go. Wow. Yeah. That's pretty much the way it is. Oh, I know.
You've got assembly lube for the bike.
Well, this is the this is the sealant that I'll use.
Cool.
The Yama Bond, which seems to be good stuff.
And then we've got some assembly lube here.
Yeah, that I will. It's not there yet, but I'll do it. Oh, yeah,